Hey everyone, ever have one of those days where everything just clicks? Where the sun feels a little warmer, the birds sing a little louder, and you've just got this big, goofy grin you can't wipe off your face. That's the vibe today. It's about finding joy in the little things, that perfect cup of coffee, nailing a new trick, or just laughing with friends until your stomach hurts. It's not about everything being perfect, but about choosing to see the good and letting that happiness shine through. Sometimes just being a happy boy is the best thing you can be. What's one small thing that made you smile today? Drop it in the comments below. If you enjoyed this little dose of positivity, don't forget to like and subscribe for more good vibes. Catch you in the next one.